there, welcome to video 4.9, sine law, acute angles, mixed practice. Haha! We've reached the mixed practice part, which means we're almost done this section. Yay! Okay. So this is, let's see if we can apply what we know. All right. So, as always, like to turn off the video, try it yourself, see how it goes. Or do the first one with me. Then turn it off, try it yourself. It's been a while since I've given the lecture, so I'm going to give the lecture right now. If you just watch, that's not very active, and you're not going to learn much. Okay, you got to try it yourself. You got to make mistakes. Only by making mistakes do you get better. Anywho, let's roll. I'm going to assume I'm supposed to find this. Oh, wait a minute. Very confused. I guess I'm supposed to find x, the only unknown, which means that must be angle x down there, and they're being sneaky. I'm going to say they because they steal all these questions. I think I need this angle first before I can do anything. I do have a nice matching pair here. Call that T because I can. That's x. And I don't think I need it, but I'm going to put that there anyway. I need this angle. So if you have two, I'm close. You guys know how to do this, right? There's 180 degrees in the whole triangle, minus the 35 from that corner, minus the 88 from that corner, and whatever's left is going to be my remaining angle. 180 minus 35 minus 88, boop, 57 degrees. All right, now we can do the question. Start with what we know. E over sine t is equal to x over sine x. This is the side I know both. This is the one I want. So I'm clearly looking for a side. Now, put in my numbers. 24 over sine 88 is equal to x, which I don't know. Most people sign over sine x, sine 57 degrees. All right. Numbers are in. Let's cross multiply. 4 sine 57 is equal to x sine 88. I want x by itself. We're going to divide by sine 88 on both sides. Okay, 44 sine 57 divided by sine 88. 36.92. Yeah, if we look up here, that's to a whole number, so we'll just round that to 37. And it was in millimeters. We put millimeters is equal to x. And I can't say much, but 88 is the biggest side. And it's crossing 44, so 57 should be across something smaller than this, and it is. Ta-da! Yay! I think we got it right. Looks pretty good to me. All right, let's try the next one, see what happens. Oh, we're still looking for x. Okay. This triangle is kind of crazy. My opposite side, so 118 is over here. And then this is the one. This is my matching pair. I shall call it A. And I shall call that little A. And that's x and x. So A over sine A is equal to x over sine x. Oh, excuse me. Sorry. I am waiting for that caffeine to kick in. I've been for a while. X we don't know. Over sine Hold it. Whoops. Oops. I don't have a number down here, but it's okay. Right? Because you have to have 3 out of the 4 numbers, and we only have two. But I can calculate this because I know the other two angles. I should have done that first. 180 degrees minus 52 minus 118. You know what? You get a question and you just got nothing. You have no idea what to do. If there's 2 angles in a triangle, calculate the third. It's probably going to help you. 180 minus 52 minus 118, 10 degrees. Pretty small. So that's telling me that side X would be really small in comparison to everything else. Okay, now I'm paranoid. Let me try that again. 180 minus 52 minus. It's 10. All right. That's the process. Here we go. 45 sine 10 degrees is X sine 52 degrees. Bye-bye. X, remember, these cancel out to 1, so they disappear essentially. Over here. 45 sine 10 degrees divided by sine 52, 9.91. Let's see. Yeah, it could be. It's pretty small. Not 100% sure that diagrams the scale. That doesn't look like a 10-degree angle. Anyway, doesn't matter. Trust the process. Oops. And that was the meters up here. So I'm going to round this to the nearest meter. Ooh. Oh. 9.9. Round it up to the nearest whole number. That's actually going to be 10. And I need my units. And there we go. Oh, I wish there was something on my screen that said how long the video was. I think we can do 2 more instead of splitting this into 2 videos. Okie dokie. Where we at? We have no letters. I'm going back because I remember the rules. Start by labeling. C. We are looking. No. I guess I should have called that X, but I already labeled it, so. We have matchy pair. And we have the question we're working about. And this, we're looking for an angle. All right, so where are we on the screen? A sine A is equal to. There. If you're asking about X, I don't know anything about X. I see no X. And you can, if you accidentally do that, I don't care because I can figure out what you're doing as long as you label stuff. All right, A is 12 over sine 67 degrees is equal to little c, which I don't know. No, I do know. I do know little c's over there, 13 over sine. A. Oh, I'm sorry. In case you're not sure what that was a brain fart on my part. Yes, I am looking for the angle. Because I've got 1, 2, 3, and I'm missing the fourth one. We're okay. You're okay. I'm okay. We're all okay. Let's multiply. All right, so we want sine c by itself. We divide by 12 and divide by 12. Sine C is equal to 13 sine 67 by 12, 0.9972. Habit, old school habit. When I do the sine of sine or cosine or tangent depending on I write 4 decimal places, because in the really old days, we had to look this up in a table and it always had 4 decimal places. It doesn't matter because truthfully, I'm going to use that number right there and it has all the significant figures, it's got all the decimals it could ever have. Whereas here, if I use just that, I'm going to get a slight error because of rounding. So I'm going to stop talking. I'm just going to go second and sine because there's no way my angle can be that. Boom. C, angle C is 85.7. We'll call it 86 degrees. Let's see. No, that could be. I mean, when we look, this is angle 60, this is 67. This one's bigger. So 67 was 12, 13 is bigger. So you got it. You got it. All right, next one. What are we doing? E. Let's call it corner E. We'll call this one X. And we'll call this one. You go, wow, she just randomly picks numbers. Yeah, I do. Or sorry, letters. Go ahead, it doesn't matter. Process will still be the same. Yeah. Yeah. I got 2 angles. Minus 48, minus 61. I'm just gonna do it right away. Minus 48, minus 61. Gives me 71 degrees for down here. And now, I should put that in my list of rules. If you have 2 out of the 3 angles, just find the third one. You're probably going to need it. It doesn't hurt you. So I know side B. So B, sine B, and I am looking for little x. Oh, I'm looking for another side. What's the question? Oh. Okay, that's why this is making me crazy. They'll be up there. Yelling at me? I hope you were. Don't put stuff in the comments. You can yell to your TV. Yeah, I had those backwards. That's why I was staring at it. It seemed weird. 21. 9, 71. X, which we don't know. 9, 61. Let's multiply. Yeah, I'm bored of this by now. Boredom is good in math. It means you're getting it. Sorry. Divide by sine 71. It's equal to, all right, let's see what x is equal to. 21 sine 61 divided by sine 71. 19.42. Those are going to cancel out. And that was this way. Yeah, that could be. 19.42. I said it could be because 61 is a little smaller than 71. So my answer better be a little smaller than 21. So we're golden, and that's a whole number. So we'll just call it 19, and we'll grab our units from there. Centimeters. Hey, you did it. You did it. We are done. My voice is getting all gravelly, so it's time to have a break. Have a lovely day.